Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see scheduled emails in Outlook. To see scheduled emails in Outlook, you need to first open your Outlook application, or you can also use your Outlook web page. For that, open any web browser and go to your search bar and type in www.outlook.com. I'm going on with the application of Outlook. Scheduled mails are stored in draft folder within Outlook application. They remain in draft until the time that you have said arrives. Now here, to see the scheduled emails, you need to make sure that you have navigation pane on the left side. If you are not being able to see this navigation pane, then you can click on three lines present on the top left corner. After this, now here you'll be able to see drafts option. You can click on drafts option. And then here you'll be able to see your scheduled emails. Now to see your scheduled emails, you'll be able to find draft option present on the top of the draft emails. So with this, you'll be able to know which of the emails are draft and which are scheduled. Here, I don't have any scheduled emails for now, but you'll be able to know the email is scheduled when you find the date that you had entered on the side of the mail. With this, you'll be able to see your scheduled emails. You can click on your scheduled email and look through all the information that you had entered. This is how we can see scheduled emails in Outlook. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.